This 2018 Forest River Surveyor 287 BHSS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford North, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center, Milford North. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 10, refrigerator, spare tire kit, air conditioning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, skylight, TV, DVD player, auxiliary battery, slide out, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Surveyor 287 BHSS is 6,065 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.